Today, I'll show you how to turn narration on and off on FC25. So begin by selecting the settings icon in the upper left corner. Then select settings and choose game settings. Now within the game settings, use your R1 or L1 button and go to the accessibility options. Now within the accessibility options, scroll down and find narration. So by default is turned off, so to enable it, just choose the on option. And as you can hear, there's a spoken feedback whenever you highlight a menu. So for instance,
subtitles,
yeah,
on screen pause,
and that shows that narration has been enabled.
speech to text,
So to disable it, just select off and it would be disabled. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.